Hi, welcome in today. I'm Thorgan Ironside, and today we're looking at a mod called More Manufacturing and Sorting. It's a mod showcase here. This mod's available for Xbox and PC, so it's available on the Creation Club and on Nexus. And before we really get a deep look into the mod here, I'd like for you guys to take a look at another creator here on YouTube. His name is WillNY4. It's about to pop up here on the screen. But these kind of one of the reasons I kind of got this deep dive into mass manufacturing, uh, and like being able to manufacture everything and just seeing how far you can take that. And I really believe it brings a little extra to the outpost. But he's a really great YouTube content creator. You should check him out. And he's dropped a couple of mods that I intend to showcase soon. Those are also available on Nexus. But check him out. Links are in the description. So today we are looking at more manufacturing and item sorting. It's by Betamax 76. And what this does, it brings unique outpost storage containers that link from a normal transfer container or the included transfer terminal for item sorting. Adds crafting machines that function like vanilla builders, except you build the default machine and choose production from the menu. Builders require a few research unlocks, and more may pop up as you unlock things in game. Ammo machine recipes don't require primers because, well, he says he thinks it's annoying and they're dumb. It says he added very simple primer recipes to the industrial workbench because he could. Adds cloning machines to make organic materials, cork tissue, or genetic materials, and chasm bass oil anywhere as long as there's water. Seaweed tanks can make fiber or nutrient like a greenhouse to fuel cloners or printers. Adds food printers to make produce and bread and a cloner to make meat and dairy. Tried to cover all food resources needed for production. Food recipes for the builders have been altered to use specific ingredients instead of general resources, like a coffee bag instead of any coffee source. For some reason, he was crashing when he tried to make alien sandwich, and that was apparently why. The workbench recipe should be unchanged, except he added baguettes and sandwiches, and he adds special builders skinned as vending machines to make food products. You'll see those in the video. Adds a water filtration machine to convert raw water into distilled advanced nutrition or sparkling water products. Added an extractor for aqueous hematite if the associated quest is complete. It's a waste product of iron mining, so you put it in the iron extractor list and can be built on iron deposits. Only a small one, but has no build radius. And then here he talks about how Wicked and him had been talking about recipe priorities, which will help mods keep from stepping on each other in the build order list and help avoid conflicts. And I think it's really cool that the mod authors are reaching out there and talking to each other like that and communicating. That'll really help us out as the players. I think that's really cool. Hats off to Betamax 76 and Wicked 3 for that. That is really cool of them. A lot of the mod authors in the community communicate a lot, and they should be encouraged. Uh, And here at the bottom, a disclaimer as always. Warning as always, take care with modding. Uninstalling without removing mod assets can cause problems. Uninstalling, be sure to remove anything built from this mod before uninstalling or it will cause crash to desktop in the build menu. And that's kind of a standard disclaimer. But anyway, that's the basics. And I really like it. It's got a lot of opportunity. It's got a lot of potential. You see, we're going through here at Montera Luna. It's just one of my outposts, a spaceport here, and I'm just showing you kind of some of the things that are in it. All the different machines you've seen were the various skinned builders. I really appreciate how he didn't use the same generic builder that's the default builder in the vanilla menu. He went out of his way to, bring things in that looked better. All right, like the big 3D printers, uh, I really like the way the seaweed tanks look, and I like his new containers, like the ones for the food, the ammo, and the medical. You see them there, the red, white, and blue ones. I think they look really good. They work great too. It's got different containers here for more than just those things. So it's got gear containers, miscellaneous containers. There's a lot in this mod, and if you really use it, it's got a lot of functionality. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And once again, shout out to Betamax76 and Will NY4. I appreciate you all. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below.